it's Jody. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be planning today the week of September the 28th to October the 4th. I cannot believe it's almost October. This is crazy. Where did the year go? Anyway, I'm going to be using a gorgeous kit from Simply Beautiful Plans. The kit is foiled in copper, and I think it's stunning. It's called a Retro Vibes, and it's perfect for fall. Beautiful colors, and as you can see, lots of foiling. The full box, You Glow Girl, so it's a theme box. You also get some deco with it and some sidebar stuff. And then I picked up the copper dates to go with it as well. So let's go ahead and get started. This is such a pretty day out today. It's an extended summer here in southern Ontario. It's in the 70s, which is really nice. I know some places have got it colder, some places warmer, depending on where you are. I think the States is still in the middle of a heat wave. In Las Vegas and California. Okay, that's crooked, but it's staying. I'm not pulling it up again. So it's a pretty quiet week this coming week. I do have a doctor's appointment. And of course, it's the first week of October. I'm posting my applications for my next sale. Other than that, it's a pretty quiet week. No sales happening for any of my shops. Graceful Muse Papery has its holiday box still for sale. Very limited quantities left. Simply Beautiful Plans is part of that box, which is really special. She's done some exclusive art for us. That's a little bit of a hint on what she's got in the box. So we're excited about that. There's 8 shops taking part. And it's a 12-day advent, so you really should get in on that while you can. The link to the shop is down below. And you can't use my code, but you can put my name and notes for my freebie. Let's get these boxes in. I use them to track my meals. She always has the prettiest boxes, the square boxes, with each kit. So are the leaves changing in your neck of the woods? They certainly are in mine. Everything's beautiful colors. It's nice to take a drive and go out and see them. Seeing as there's no fall fairs or anything, you take fall where you can get it. I'm thinking that the farmers markets in the area might have some cider and candy apples and special treats like that. Some maybe donuts, apple donuts or something, to make up for the fact that the fall fairs don't have them. I usually, or lately, I've been doing questions and getting to know me, stuff like that. But today I didn't bring anything up with me, so you get to listen to me ramble on about generalities and nothing. If you ever want to know anything about me, you can go ahead and ask the questions below in the comments section. I'm happy to answer anything for you so that you can get to know me a little bit more, and also leave a bit about yourself down below, because I like to learn about you all as well as part of my community. So I've put the habit tracker down. It's really nice because you can track 3 habits. Let's go ahead and put the theme sticker in. I love these boxes. They take up space, but they're really pretty. I'm going to put the checklists in as well. You notice is in all of Amy's kits she has a second set of washi, so you could have your choice, or you could make a separate spread out of it. Amy, the shop has just been announced to be in the Made in Canada sale in November, which is exciting for the shop. She always has great discounts, and it's a great sale if even if you're from the US. A lot of Canadian shops that are in it, or it's all Canadian shops. And you can get some amazing deals, great discounts. And with your US dollar, you get more for your money shopping in Canada. This is a pretty basic planner for me. I do my day-to-day stuff in it, keep track of what I'm doing and the tasks that I need to do. So like I said, it's pretty basic. Let's get the date dots down. It is the 28th. I kind of put them sideways. I match the way that the dates are written. See, these ones are vertical. This is my current week. This kit is from Winterfield Studios. So I put them vertical for this week, but because this is written sideways, I'll put the dates sideways as well, just so you know what I'm up to. Amy has date dots for all of for both Hobonichi and vertical planners, and they come in one of 9 or any of 9 foil colors. So she's got some pretty neat choices for foil in the shop. Do you have any good foil shops that you like to use? I use foil in every layout, and I always like to get some different things, different icons and decorative pieces and whatnot. If you can think of any shops that you like to shop in and you can recommend them to me, please put them in the comments below. I'd like to try out a few new shops. Back to the sard bar, let's put down this week header. I can keep track of any must-dos for this week. Trick is trying to get these straight, because you all know, I say it in every video, I don't get things straight very often. And I didn't get that straight either, so we're keeping up with the trend. I'm going to use the next week as well. There we go. Let's put in some of this deco. She always has the prettiest deco with her kits. It's quite large this week. Let's see. Put some of these pretty leaves in. Oh boy, that took me forever. Oops. And then of course, I don't get it where I want it to. Deco is the big thing right now. A lot of planners are using them for layering pieces. I think it's really a neat idea. Let's put this big one in. I know it's going to take up a lot of space, but it's so pretty. I just needed to use it. And put the other big one in with it. There. That's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to be using some icons from Winterfield Studios. You know that I love these little icons because they're perfect for this planner. So I'm going to put Coffee Monday in. So these are their little coffee cups. They come in gold, silver, or rose gold. They're hand-drawn. They're really pretty. You really should get your hands on them. The link to the shop is below. I'm also a PR for that shop. Put Jody in notes for 20% off. Friday is garbage day, so I'm going to use, again from the shop, a little garbage can. And Sunday I do laundry. This is my last little wash machine. I'm going to have to reorder some. Maybe I'll see if I can get her to do me a full sheet of them, as I go through them quite quickly. And Sundays I also call my mother. So again, this is rose gold foil, some hand-drawn telephones. And Tuesday I have a doctor's appointment, so I'm going to use these stethoscope. I knew I wasn't going to be able to say that right. And Monday I'm going to be posting the applications for the November sale. So let's go ahead and use one of these. I can get them off the sheet. There we go. There. So that's all set. So that is it, my friends. This is my layout for this week. Short and sweet. But like I said, this is a basic planner for me. Once again, this is from Simply Beautiful Plans. My code is JodyCake for 15% off. Make sure to check them out. Again, I said they'll be in the Graceful Muse Papery holiday box, Advent box, and they will also be in the Made in Canada sale coming up in November. So definitely check her out. Thank you for coming and watching my video. As always, when you join us, it really means a lot to me. Take a moment and like my video because it helps my channel out. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my other videos come out. Hope you have a great day. Bye now.